Guys, this is Arkniel Gaming and we'll be participating on the second phase recharge event on our second account. So we have recharged this amount of diamonds to 50 and we will see if we can get 700 tokens. If not, I will have to continue with the spend 250 diamonds to get the 2 extra galactic tickets. Let's go. We have 10 tickets. So we'll try to use the 10 times draw for this. Hope to get 700. Let's go. Okay. So how many did we get? So we got a Uranus specials. Ay, oh, it's an epic skin. So we got bonus token. Let's see if we got 700. Okay, 686. So we are still not there yet. So we have to continue with the draw. Hope we can get it. 15. Okay, we got 700, so we don't have to draw anymore. But we can still get this if we buy maybe the Hylo skin. For the 100 left. Anyways, at least we got it already, so I'm gonna think of what to get among this skin because most of these heroes are not meta. Maybe I'll choose Alucard. Or maybe, but I like the design of Master Yoda, but I'm not a mage user. And since I'm a core main, I might get Alucard. I'm still thinking because I have 3 accounts and I'm planning to get all. I'm planning to get a Star Wars skin on each account. I already have 700 tokens on my main accounts as well. So maybe I'm thinking if I should get all Alucards or maybe I'll get an Alucard in my main account and get Master Yoda on my second account. I'm still not thinking. Or on my third account maybe. I'm not sure because Cyclops is not that meta. But hopefully he will get a revamp. Argus I'm not using because I'm not an XP laner. But Argus is pretty good if you know how to time his ultimate. And Kimi is meta, but I don't use Kimi. I think Kimi's damage is so broken, especially in a full damage build. So, comment what skin did you get, guys? Let's see what other. Okay, so and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.